Alright guys, welcome back. This is part 3 I believe now. So the engine is pretty much in. I didn't film because it's, whatever, just putting the engine back. So quick update, I did start the engine, so it did started for like a couple seconds because I haven't put the exhaust yet. Because I'm gonna change the drive shaft bearing in the middle, so I've ordered it, waiting for that. So once I've changed that, then I'll put the exhaust. So as of now, the headlights, the engine, everything is in. I just gotta put the front bumper. I also haven't put the suspension back on because I've ordered 2 brand new front struts with springs, with everything, so I'm gonna replace that. That's on its way too. Right now I just gotta add coolant, gotta put some steering fluid, gotta change the oil with the filter, and then pretty much that's it. But it cranked, it started right up like first try, no problem. So yeah, like I said, I also rebuilt the steering rack as well. Got a kit, so I've rebuilt it, so it's all cleaned new, so it's down there. But yeah, she's almost ready. Well, I'm gonna probably go get some fluids, top it off, and then change the drive shaft bearing in the middle, the support that goes in the middle, put the struts, and then that's it. She's ready to start. But yeah, this car is clean too overall. Actually it's super clean, like you saw. See, also it has the Android unit too, like the factory fit, but it's super clean, like the seats and everything. Has panoramic sunroof as well, so it has like a dark trim. Yeah, it has only 126,000 miles, but yeah, everything works in this car. So yeah guys, I'll see you in a bit. Let me top off the fluids, and then once those parts arrive, we'll just install them, and hopefully everything runs smooth. I've started for like I said 30 seconds. It ran fine, but you never know. So I gotta top it off the fluids and stuff, a coolant as well, and run it for a good half an hour, 40 minutes, drive it and see how it's gonna perform. But yeah, overall so far happy with the process. But yeah, all right, stay tuned. All right guys, so the engine pretty much is all assembled, runs perfect. I just gotta put the covers on, which is here, but I just put everything back together. Well, relearned the Voltronic system with the scanner. Everything seems fine. But yeah, got new suspension as well, strut, springs, boot, everything. I've changed the drive shaft bearing in the middle. Wheels been cleaned. She runs healthy. No check engine, nothing. Ignore this. I gotta probably recalibrate the steering angle sensor. I haven't done it yet, but I'm gonna give some revs and I'll show you there's no smoke in the back. Yeah, just take a look, and then we'll do some beauty shots, and then she's done pretty much. And yeah, I haven't filmed much installing the engine. It's just plug and play, just reverse the process. But as long as she runs healthy, on part 2 you guys saw how I put it together, timed the engine, everything, so the timing is perfect. She runs super healthy, and I let it run a little bit yesterday, and I even test drove it. Drives fine, it doesn't overheat, nothing, everything is fine, topped off everything. But yeah, let me guys give you a couple revs. Yeah, as you can guys saw, she doesn't have no smoke, nothing. She revs totally healthy. I'll show you. Like the temperature is right in the middle. See? She revs really healthy. So I mean, obviously for a couple days I'll test drive it and see what's up. But I feel like that would conclude this not build, but this job that was supposed to be easy over a simple mistake. I went through all this stuff, but at least now I know she's been all service, all done, so she'll be a good driver daily, and she's super clean. I'll just do a couple beauty shots. I'll show you all around the car, interior, exterior, and then we'll just conclude this episode, I believe. So yeah, please guys, like, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell. I mean, it helps massively. I mean, motivates me to film content. And I know I haven't filmed much in this final episode in terms of like showing the work, but I mean, it was just waiting on parts, all that. It was keep delaying, so that was the only issue. But as you can guys saw, I'm not trying to hide anything. It's finished. You can guys go watch the part 2. I pretty much show you how to put everything together, to change the valve stem seals and do everything, put the timing and stuff. And this episode I'll literally just put the engine back on, that's it. But yeah, alright guys, enjoy the couple shots, and then thank you, peace, see you next time.